Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is how to crush it with affiliate marketing. Now this is probably going to be a bit of a short video, but make sure that you do stick to the end. The other thing I want to say before you get started is make sure to subscribe to my channel because I've got plenty more content to come. And leave me a comment, leave me a like, and it will be highly appreciated. Now that this is out of the way, let's get started on how you can crush it with affiliate marketing. So first of all, the very first point is you want to give free value. Free value is really important, just like I'm doing now, just like you would be doing if you would be doing a review, just like you would be doing if you were doing a blog post or something like that, but you do have to give free value. Don't try and get the money out of people's pockets because you just won't be able to get proper money out of anybody if you're not providing free value right at first. So you want to give before you get. If you don't give a taste on people of what you are teaching or telling or trying to get them to buy, it just won't work. So you really need to get into that mindset that you have to give before you get something back. So what that means basically is you have to build an audience. An audience is really important. It's just like I'm trying to do now, just like anybody on YouTube is trying to do, just like anybody who has a blog is trying to do. All of these people are building an audience. They're doing things right. They are teaching people, helping people, giving people value, and that's what you want to do. You want to give people value. So, it's not just YouTube. You can build a Facebook group. You can build all sorts of stuff like that. Instagram is the most known one, but you can also build an email list. An email list is one of the most powerful things that you can ever imagine that you have. An email list is worth so much value that probably not many people know how much it's worth. So, a proper email list where people are really interested in getting your value when they get emails, and then you can sell to them, give them affiliate links and things like that. But you have to give them free value, and you have to make sure that the people that are on your email list are people that are really interested and want to be on that email list. Don't just like send emails to people that have nothing to do with that. Make sure that the people get value from your emails and want to get that kind of value. If you're sending business emails, for example, and you're selling to people who are really into fishing, they don't care about business. It's not their thing. So make sure that you have a target audience that really wants to get your emails. But if you do that right, you can build an email list and it can make you so much more value than you can probably even imagine. So once you do have that audience and you have these emails, you have those followers, you have those subscribers, you have all these people, you don't want to like just sell them. You want to give more value than what you are trying to sell. So just give them value for free all the time and just keep doing that. And from time to time you try and sell them something. Maybe once a week if you're selling emails every day, or maybe from time to time if you're doing a YouTube video and things like that. Unless you're doing reviews because you're giving value on that product and you have an affiliate link just down below which is about the product that you just talked about. So that's okay. That's a good way to do it. But you are giving them value. You are giving more value than what you are trying to sell, and tell them what that product that you're doing a review on, like everything about that product, and then you're giving them an affiliate link. But most of all, you just want to give value and pure value. And then from time to time try and sell them something. But if you just try and sell in every post, every video, everything, it's just not going to work. People are just going to unsubscribe from your channel, unsubscribe from your mailing list, and unsubscribe and like leave the Facebook group, or unsubscribe and unfollow you on Instagram. So it's not a good idea. So make sure you give more value than what you're trying to sell. You really have to do this for the long-term game, not the short-term game. If you do this for the short-term gain, it's going to be very short-term and you're just going to feel sorry for it. So don't do that. So if you're promoting a product that isn't yours, so that's an affiliate link basically, an affiliate product, then you can add a product that is yours. So for example, if you're trying to sell a fancy coffee machine, you're trying to sell that machine and you have that affiliate link, it's a really great machine, but people can just go to their website and buy that machine. But what you can do is give them a great PDF on how to make the best coffee ever and a bunch of videos all together, like with people telling how to make the best coffee, what temperature, I don't know, whatever it is, but something with good value. And you say that if they click on your link, then they can get that free PDF or free videos or anything like that for free, but if they purchase that machine from your link. So that will make people really want to buy into your product to get your free stuff instead of just buying that coffee machine where they could buy it anywhere else. So if you're selling hard to somebody, maybe it's a launch of a product and you want to go really hard at it, and you go hard on it for like 3 days, it's really hard. Then you have to back off, give them free value for a long time, because just like I said before, people will unsubscribe if you do this. So just if you have something that's launching, maybe you're going to promote it hard for a week, but then you want to back off for at least a week and not sell anything and just give pure value, because if each time you're sending an email, people are getting sold something, they're just not going to like it. So your aim has to be the best at what you do, no matter what, whether you're in e-com, whether you're into Amazon FBA or anything like that. Maybe you're trying to build your personal brand, because I talk a lot about this on this channel, and this is kind of what it's like, because the best way to do affiliate marketing is your personal brand, but you have to focus on being the best at what you do. No matter what you are trying to do, you have to try and be the best. Now obviously you're probably not the best right now, I'm not the best right now, but this has to be your target. Maybe it'll take you 5 years, maybe it'll take you 10 years, but you have to try and win that title of being the best at what you do. No matter what you're trying to do, you have to be the best. Now, if you're not being the best, but you're trying to be the best, you'll probably be still really good. It's just like people say, if you're trying to reach the stars, maybe you'll land on the moon. And that's exactly what I'm talking about. So you'll go really far by trying to be the best and not just trying to make some side income, but making proper income from this. Obviously, if you're trying to be the best, you're not going to be the best straight away, but you will make small wins along the way, and that will keep you going to be the better than yesterday and better than the day before, and so on. So this has to be your focus. So with that being said, I do have a free Facebook group in the link below, so make sure that you join that group. It's completely free and it will help you on personal branding and affiliate marketing and all that stuff. So make sure that you do join that group. It will help you, just pure value. I'm not trying to sell anything in that, so make sure you do. And make sure that you smash that subscribe button, because I really want to give you some value. So make sure that you do that. You do not want to miss out, and it will mean the world to me. So make sure that you do that. I would highly appreciate it. I really mean that. Apart from that, leave a comment, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!